Yellowjackets are a common type of wasp that pose threats when they set up nests in residential neighborhoods or public spaces. Like most other wasp species, yellowjackets are territorial and become aggressive when their nests are threatened. Unlike other wasps, yellowjackets are also known to sting unprovoked, making them one of the more dangerous wasps to have around. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and treat yellowjackets on your property so you can enjoy your outdoor space without worrying about wasp stings. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about yellowjackets, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Yellowjackets are smaller wasps, typically growing to be between 3/8 and 5/8 of an inch in length. Their body colors are composed of black and bright yellow patterns, which is where the name yellowjacket comes from. Yellowjackets are social wasps that build nests that house entire colonies. Unlike other wasps or hornets, yellowjackets tend to build their nests underground or within structural voids. These nests typically have only one entry hole and are composed of several layers of large cells that house the eggs, larvae, pupae, and the queen. Yellowjackets can often be confused for other wasps, like the paper wasp, since they are both black and yellow in color and territorial. However, it's important to learn the difference between the two since they are different pests with different approaches to treatment. Out of the two, paper wasps are larger, growing to be about 1 whole inch in length, longer than the yellowjacket. Additionally, paper wasps can be other colors besides just black and yellow, and they have comparatively more slender bodies, while yellowjackets' bodies are more stout. Besides physical appearance, the best way to identify yellowjackets from other wasps is to observe their nesting situation. If you observe wasps traveling in and out of underground holes or voids within walls, then you're likely dealing with yellowjackets. If you observe wasps traveling or resting on upside-down umbrella-shaped nests high above the ground, then you're dealing with paper wasps. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. To confirm yellowjacket activity, you'll need to observe your property for any of the yellowjackets themselves. Yellowjackets are typically foraging for meat or hunting other insects as food for themselves or their larvae. Yellowjackets can also be attracted to flowers or sweets. It's not uncommon to find them near trash cans. Once you've found some, keep track of where they travel and they'll eventually lead back to the nest. Be sure to keep your distance to avoid aggression. Note down where any nests may be and where you've seen yellowjacket activity, as this information will help you direct your treatment and prevention. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. When dealing with stinging pests like wasps or yellowjackets, always use caution and keep yourself protected. We recommend you cover up as much exposed skin as possible with a professional bee suit to prevent stings and direct chemical exposure. To get rid of yellowjackets on your property, you'll use a combination of insecticides like Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer, D-Fender Dust, and Sylo Insecticide. Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer will knock down yellowjackets quickly, D-Fender Dust will treat and kill yellowjackets leaving and entering the nest, and Sylo will protect the surfaces of your structure from further yellowjacket activity. Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer is an aerosol spray made with perlethrin that delivers a quick knockdown to yellowjackets and their nests, and it has a long reach of up to 20 feet. Simply shake, point, and spray the product with a sweeping motion around the nest opening. Make sure any pests around the nest opening make contact with the spray. Though the spray can reach up to 20 feet, it is best to spray from 6 to 15 feet away from the nest for accuracy. Once the opening is drenched, approach and apply a constant stream directly into the nest for 6 to 8 seconds. We recommend you wait until evening or night to treat a nest, since wasps will be resting inside their nest during that time. D-Fence Dust is a dry insecticidal dust made with deltamethrin that will treat yellowjackets as they attempt to enter and exit their nest. After treating with Stryker, use a handheld duster to apply D-Fence Dust directly into the void or nest opening. Be sure to cover the entire perimeter of the opening as you apply the product at the labeled rate of 0.5 pounds per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. After you've treated the nests around your property, you'll make a barrier treatment with Sylo Insecticide to prevent any yellowjackets from reinfesting your structures. Spray a 0.1% emulsion of Sylo. You can do this easily by mixing half an ounce of Sylo with 1 gallon of water. We recommend you use a hand pump sprayer since you'll be spraying around the perimeter of your structures. To mix your solution, first fill your sprayer halfway with water. Then add your measured amount of Sylo into the sprayer. Add the remaining water up to the 1-gallon line. Close the sprayer and shake to ensure an even emulsion. Pump the sprayer a few times to produce a low-pressure spray. Apply Sylo around the exterior of your home and other structures. Treat along spots where yellowjackets would build nests, like along eaves, underneath porch ceilings, and around voids into the structure. This will leave a residual application that will help prevent wasps from re-establishing nests for up to 90 days. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. Although Sylo will continue to protect treated areas for up to 90 days after application, you can take further steps to ensure yellowjackets stay away from your property. Make sure your property is kept clean. One of the most effective ways of preventing yellowjackets is to deny them their food resources. Pick up trash and make sure no food is left outside. Yellowjackets will forage for food in garbage, so make sure to regularly take out your trash and leave it in sealed garbage containers. You can also deny access to water sources by draining standing water like in bird baths or plant pots after rain. If yellowjackets are unable to forage for food and water on your property, then they have no reason to establish themselves. Yellowjackets are a common and oftentimes painful problem for many homeowners, but there are ways to control an infestation that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop yellowjackets from infesting your home, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.